So the first question, work out 14 times 18 minus 12 times 18. You use BIDMAS to begin with, so because you have two multiplication symbols in there and a minus in between. So obviously you'll have to do the multiplications first, the 14 times 18 minus 12 times 18. But what you notice that there is a slight trick to this question, because we have 14 times 18 minus 12 times 18. And of course we have to do the multiplications first. So what I can do is I can put brackets around the two multiplications just to remind me that I have to do those first. Now you could work these out individually, but that could take an awful long time, because you have to do 14 times 18 and 12 times 18. But what you notice is, because we're multiplying both by 18s, we have 14 lots of 18 and 12 lots of 18, that is actually equal to, well, if you have 14 lots of 18 minus 12 lots of 18, you're only left with 2 lots of 18. And of course 2 times 18, everyone could do that. You just simply double the number, you double 18, which is just 36. So your answer there is 36. So it looks quite complicated to begin with, but if you use a bit of logic, you can see that 14 lots of 18 minus 12 lots of 18 leaves you with just 2 lots of 18, which is just 36. Okay, for part B to this question, we have to approximate the value of this fraction here, and approximation is the same as estimation. So you have to, all the figures involved, the 53, 248 and 91, you have to round to nice, convenient numbers, numbers that end in 0 and also close to their original values. So 53, I can see straight away, 53 is close to 50, and 50 ends in 0, so I'll probably round down to 50. So what this will become, if I was estimating the answer here, 53 would round down to 50. 248, that's close to 250. Again, 250 ends in 0. That's a good number to multiply with, numbers that end in 0. So I can round up to 250. And for the denominator there, the number on the bottom, 91, you could round down to 90, it's close to 91. But 90, when you divide, if you're thinking ahead here, if you're dividing by 90, that could get a bit tricky. So what I might do is I would round up to 100, because dividing by 100 is quite straightforward to do. You're just moving the decimal place 2 places to the left. So what we do here is we work out the numerator first, 50 times 250. To work that out, what you do is you multiply the whole numbers first, so just ignoring the zeros for now. 5 times 25 gives you 125. So just counting 25s in your head, 5 lots of 25 gives you 125. You also have 2 zeros, 1 zero in the 50 and 1 zero in the 250. So that gives you 12,500 all over the denominator, which is just 100. Okay, remember in fractions, the line in the fraction means divide by. So this actually reads, from top to bottom, 12,500 divided by 100. And remember, when you're dividing by 100, you're moving the decimal place 2 places to the left. So just imagining there's a decimal point after the 0, you're moving it 2 places to the left. And what happens is it just cancels out those 2 zeros. We remove those 2 zeros, because what happens is those 2 zeros go beyond the decimal point, and of course any zeros beyond the decimal point, you don't need them, so they just vanish, leaving you with 125. So an approximate value to that question, 53 times 248 divided by 91 is just 125.